Okay, Carla. So my guess is I'm going to go to the GeoGebra website, and I'm going to go over here to the left side right here, and I'm going to choose the 3D calculator. Um, I'm going to assume that you're going to want to take maybe a right triangle that's on the z-axis going up, center at the origin, and going out on the x-axis. So I'll go to these tools, and I'll go to more, and scroll down just a little bit, and there's my polygon tool. And I'll click on the z-axis, click on the origin, click on the x-axis, and then finish back up here at the top. And then when I'm done, I'm going to put that tool away by clicking on that blue arrow right there. I'm going to need to know some things right now. So if I want to go back to the calculator, the triangle is called T1. And if you'd like to change if you'd like to change its color, I just go to those three dots, and I'm going to make it bright green so it's easier to see, and maybe make it a little less opaque. All right, so that's good. This line here, that line is line B. We're going to need that in a little bit too. I can find out what they are. So when I click on these little radio buttons, they go away. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rotate this this triangle around the. Well, I wish this is going to be in the way. Let me get rid of this. So I'm going to rotate this around the z-axis. So I'm going to create a slider that will control the degrees. So n equals 45 deg. That's a degree slider. And the command to do this is to rotate the triangle is creatively enough, rotate. And what I'm going to do is in parentheses, I'm going to put the name of the object, which is T1. And the angles is, I want to rotate it n degrees, and it's by default going to go around the z-axis. So I'm just going to click on that, and that's what that is doing right now. So that's rotating around that axis. And then what I want to do is next I want to create a surface by rotating B. That's that edge on top. So the command for this is creatively enough surface. I'm going to take B, rotate it n degrees, and then I need to go Z axis. So it's capital Z, or lowercase z, capital A, no spaces. And so this is what this looks like. This works out pretty well, I think. All right. So there is that. Let me go up to the gear icon for a second. And to the gear icon, I'll hide that plane. And now I need to fill in the bottom. I'd like to fill in the bottom. And so the bottom, I believe, is, that might be A. Yeah, the bottom is A. So I'll do the same thing again. I'll go surface A, slider N is my rotation slider, and Z axis. And so now that's also filled in down there in the bottom. So there you go, man. All right, I'll make another one for you later, but we can talk about it if you want to.